Have you ever wanted more pleasure in your life? Oh my God, you're in the right spot. Hey, it's Rachel. I've been intimacy coaching for 10 years, so we've been doing this series all year long, talking about things that you could use basically to incorporate into more pleasure for yourself or in a partner relationship. And this month has been really great for me because we're talking about things your woman wants you to hear, and we're listening to this series with open hearts and open minds, no criticism, just so we can connect with each other a little bit better, right? Now, what I want to talk to you today about is the physical needs for the feminine body. Now, when we talk about foreplay, making sure to understand that everything around sex and intimacy is multifold. It's mental, physical, spiritual, and emotional. But I want to talk about the actual physicality of a woman's needs today. Now, what's interesting and good about this is that touch her everywhere, as long as she's consenting and wants you to, okay? What I usually educate my clients on is that for the feminine, all humans are kind of brainwashed into thinking that female pleasure is about lip tissue, nipple tissue, clitoral tissue, and then straight inside the vagina. But all human beings have nerve endings from the top of your head through the tips of your toes. So theoretically, anything could feel good as long as we discovered it, but also allowed that connection to happen and then, reported on it later, okay? So usually what I challenge my clients to do is that when we're figuring out our pleasure roadmap is that it's really great if we have permission to do this in solo play because we might not feel as uncomfortable. But if we can be in a partnered relationship where we don't feel judgment, then it's a really great, fun sexual homework, a little exercise to figure out together, right? So if she's in a scenario with you that she's not ready, okay, then you're just going to encourage her with her favorite vibrating toy. Yes, I said vibrating toy because if we can't physically attach that touching ourselves is okay, a vibrating product's going to be helpful to do that. So why would we do that? Well, again, you turn that vibrating product on and you start it right at the bottom of your earlobes, okay? This is a very neutral space, right? So if the vibration's starting here, not only are we kind of going, oh, okay, so this is happening, right? And we just move that vibration into very, very platonic areas of the body. Not only are we giving a chance for our brain and our body to catch up, oh, this is nice, this feels good, right? And the vibration is stimulating the body, which is increasing blood flow to whatever area that it's touching. So if we get to an area that feels good, I usually tell women, oh my gosh, hang out here for a second, right? Take a little mental note about it. Tell your partner about that one so we can really discover the blueprint to successful pleasure, all right? And do the same with you, of course, right? And also to reevaluate after having babies, after going through menopause, after giant seasons of life, lots of stress. This is going to change. This will change in terms of what your preferences are or what you can quite literally feel. So I encourage you for you to go through this really fun homework together many, many times a year, okay? So I hope this plants some seeds, so some really fun, like I said, homework, right? And I'll be back tomorrow. So thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you and have a great day.